Hello friends, today we are repairing a speaker. You can see the name on the screen. It works, but there's a defect. The USB port is practically torn off. It only charges when pressed. The two flash drive ports, both the regular USB and the micro USB, are also non-functional. In this video, I'll be repairing the charging port and the two flash drive ports. I'll be disassembling it now. To disassemble it, you need to unscrew 6 screws from the front. Then remove the volume button and unscrew the nut. The case should then open. So, I've removed the cover. And the two blue connectors go to the speaker's backlight. Now I'm going to unscrew the circuit board. And here we have the battery hidden. Let's look at the quality of the work done. As you can see, everything is great. I figured out the USB connection, but there's a problem with data transfer. There's no schematic for the board online. And it's unclear which path goes where. Searching for it manually would cost the client a pretty penny, and I don't think they'll agree to include the price of the speaker. The speaker can be used via Bluetooth. Let's test the speaker. I turned the speaker off and on, and the flash drive miraculously started working on its own. It seems there was a problem with the switch, because I turned it off and then back on, and the flash drive started being detected. Now the speaker works both from the flash drive and via Bluetooth. The speaker started working, as far as I can tell, but the contacts were simply oxidized. It turns out I inserted the flash drive into the port a few times, and contact was restored. The speaker also charges properly. Everything is great. Another device repaired. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and have a good repair. Bye.